Film and entertainment productions demand reliable power, but traditional diesel generators are noisy, polluting, and disruptive to filming and live events. To solve this, EMTEL Energy has deployed a trailer-based supercapacitor energy system in the United Kingdom, delivering silent, sustainable power to the entertainment industry. At its core, the trailer houses the NRAC 200 kWh, 550-volt system. It integrates 44 in-cap modules, 4 50 kilowatt N-server inverters, advanced controllers, and monitoring tools, all in a compact mobile package. This trailer solution is already powering film productions and live events across the UK, providing instant, silent, emission-free energy. For event managers and film crews, EMTEL's trailer means no more fuel logistics, no noise interruptions, and no compromise on safety or sustainability.
NCAP by EMTEL Energy, powered by EnerCap. Designed for extremes, delivered with excellence.